Gosh, what do I do for this week? I don't know. I gotta do something different. I could do like a cool tinted cookie. It'd be like a bright blue for baking in blue. No, that's dumb. I could do a cool glinty cookie. It'd be nice and like shiny. Be really cool. It would attract a lot of people with that. No, that's stupid too. I could do another collab with like Flint.
What's happening?
That'd be really fun.
Where am I? Wait.
No, what am I thinking? He
Why
lives
am I
halfway
in a
across the
cookie?
world.
No! Get me out
I
of
got
here!
it. Okay, it's a fresh new year. We'll do a nice, fresh, minty cookie. Let's get started. Okay, here for our ingredients, we have 2 2/3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a cup of cocoa powder, 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, 3 eggs, a teaspoon of mint extract, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 1 2/3 cups of chocolate chips, and then a cup of salted butter. Okay, so we're going to combine the flour, the baking soda, the salt, and the cocoa powder in a small bowl and set that aside. And then in a large bowl, we're going to beat together the sugars and then add in the butter and beat that until it forms a grainy paste. And then add in the eggs and the mint extract and beat that until it's nice and fluffy. And then we're going to add in that flour mixture and the chocolate chips and beat that just until it's combined. All right, let's start off here and combine our flour, baking soda, salt, and cocoa powder. All right, and now we'll beat together the sugars. Now I'll throw in the butter. Okay, now we'll add in the eggs and the mint extract. Okay, and now we'll stir in the flour mixture and the chocolate chips. My mixer's falling apart. Where did that go? Oh, yeah, there we go. My special shiny detecting bird eyes have seen it. There it is. Okay. Gosh, yep, I dropped it. Okay. You don't want to chew on that now, do you? Okay. So, now we'll throw these on the trays. Okay, and now that we're done dropping huge metal bits into our dough, we're going to preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to take that dough and spoon it onto ungreased cookie sheets. Then we're going to bake that for about 19 to 21 minutes, just until they look solid. Once they're done, take them out and let them cool on the trays. Haven't even started yet and I already got dough on my cloth. But that's how it goes. Okay. So we have our almighty spoons, the return. And we're going to use the spoons to just take a little bit of dough here and plop it right on the tray. Okay, there we go. I did change this recipe just a little bit. Originally it said to use mint chocolate chips, but having tried one now, I think just the mint extract in there is plenty. But if you want to have a lot more mint, you could use mint chocolate chips. So next week, we're going to be doing a little special. We're going to be frying a lot of things. I don't exactly know how it's going to work into a video, but we'll find out. So meet me back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.